Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial. We are gonna learn how to make some beautiful and amazing hairstyles. Are you guys excited for the same? Take your hair and here you just have to grab it. Put your lovely rubber bands into this. Now stretch it out and here you have to just twist your hair further and then get your clutches around. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now here again, what are we up to? You have to just make the crutches like this. You have to just make the crisscross patterns in this manner and you have to just sway it away. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now again you have to just get your hair and again just taking the hair from either side, you have to just make the crisscross patterns, roll them together and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. You have to just make the patterns like this. Isn't it gonna look so cool and amazing? Now let's see what are we gonna do here. You have to just make the patterns and again your hair is gonna look so neat and tidy. Isn't it gonna look so cool and amazing? Now proceeding here, this is gonna look chic. Isn't it cool? You have to just get the hairs out and this is gonna look a crown beauty. Cool, right? I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our video. We will be back with other exciting videos too. Thank you guys.